Replacing a light kit on a ceiling fan with a cap? I want to remove the light kit from a Hunter fan. What product do I use to cover the opening where the light kit was attached? Question from user 1053382 at Stack Exchange. Answer. The major problem with this are finding those caps. Wherever that fan was purchased, I'd be surprised if they sold let alone had any caps. I wish you the best of luck in your search though. I've done many fan installs for people and have those instances too, where a person just wanted that light kit removed and the cap replaced. I got lucky a couple of times where people had their original caps. The other times when there was no hope finding caps, I've modified the light kit by removing the lights in them and capping off the holes left behind with flat head or round head carriage bolts, with nuts behind them. Painted to match the repaired area, of course. Not too bad of a look, I believe. Answer from user retired electrician at Stack Exchange.